everyone! Welcome back to Web Creators. I'm Corradaline Shabir, your creative guide today. In this video, I'll show you how to make a tweet video in Canva. Fast, easy, and completely free. It's perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. A great way to turn tweets into engaging content. No fancy editing tools needed. Just Canva and a few clever tricks to make your tweets stand out. Stick around, follow each step, and you'll be ready to post your tweet video in just a few minutes. Let's get started and turn your tweets into scroll-stopping videos right here with Canva.
So what you're basically going to do is that you're going to go to Canva. And click on the first option. Then what you're going to do is that you're going to go for videos and then choose Instagram Reel or mobile video. I'll choose mobile video. So next what you're going to do is that you're going to go to elements and you're going to go for sunset. Sorry. That was my bad. So you're going to go over here and search for pink beach sunset. Go for videos and choose any one you like. I'll choose this one. And you're going to maximize it. You can also put it as the background of your home. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to go to elements again and you're going to go for shapes and you're going to expand it to fulfill your image's length. Next what you're going to do is that you're going to go to color and you're going to choose black. Next you're going to go to transparency and decrease the transparency about 41. Next what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead to shapes and you're going to make it a bit bigger. Like so. Next you're going to go and bring in your profile picture. First go ahead and choose frame. Then go for circle. Minimize it. And put it at the top. Now you can go to uploads or anything. I'm going to go for elements and I'm going to search for girl. And I'll take this one for instance. This is just an example. Then you're going to go for text and you're going to go for subheading and then I'm going to simply write and I'm going to bring it to the top. Now I'm going to minimize it a bit. This right here. Choose your style if you want. I'll choose robot or condense. And I'm going to bring it right over here. One second. Now you can write and read whatever you want. I'm going to go for little body of text and I'm going to simply write Web Creators, the name of my channel. And you're going to maximize it a bit. And then go for this and I'll choose video and I'm going to put this to right here. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to go for elements and search for verified. Click enter. Then go for graphics and choose one. I'll choose this one. And then you're going to minimize it and put it over here. Okay, so this is done. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to bring in your content. Now you can simply go to Google and you're going to search for small quotes. Click enter and I'll choose this one. Copy this. Copy. And then go for text. Click on subheading and paste it right over here. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to place it in the middle. And you're going to go and choose another style. I'll choose pop-ins and I'm going to go for semi-bold. Now I'm going to increase the size a bit and choose the font color and I'll choose okay, white is good. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go for a little body of text. So I'm going to write the writer's name. Oscar. Now I'm going to bring it down. Going to select it. Go and bring it and I'll choose the 01. Now I'm going to choose a font color and turn it to about green. This is a bit too dark green. Light green and I'm going to maximize it and bold. Okay. So yeah, that's how you can create your very own tweet video in just seconds using Canva. So that's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye!